So as you can see here with Bitcoin, there were these key levels which were trying to be held up. As you can see, there was the 100 zone here, 100. Well, initially it was the 114, which broke. Then we had this 111 zone. It broke. We had the final zone for me was the 100 zone. That broke. And then the 90 level around here has been broken. But we're oversold. And it's looking like we can move a little bit higher. I was actually expecting this to hold up around the 85 level, but everything is crashing. And like I said, it's broken down. So for this to now rebuild, what we need to see is, and look, as a swing trader, for me, this is much better because now I can position myself in at a lower price for that momentum move. If the whole market structure is ruined, then we can't be expecting anything higher than this 97 zone currently. And it could even be as low as 92, 93, depending on how low Bitcoin goes. So at the moment, the only thing I can do as a trader is, or as a swing trader, is if I'm not trading the short, it's to wait for the support. Once we find some really solid support, and you can clearly see here on the chart, there is no support whatsoever being found. I'm looking for that support. It's not there. Once we find the support, then we can start considering positioning ourselves after the structure's set up for the long side. There is no point of catching a falling knife here. And I think lots of us, a lot of us traders have tried to catch falling knives around here, around these levels, and have been completely destroyed. And I always tell my community members and you guys here on YouTube that you need support to be found and then trade with momentum. The momentum clearly has been short. If you're not trading the short, then you have to wait for the setup to be ready. Okay. Now, of course, Bitcoin can snap back quite quickly, and that snapback could go from here all the way up to 100 again if there is that kind of momentum. But I just don't see it in the markets at the moment, and this could get worse before it gets better, especially after it broke the 190 level. For me, it's a very, very tricky zone, and I am not touching crypto at all.